Before go to long drive, few tips must be follow. Maybe daily routine for best results. First, check the fuel level. If need, fill up as per your requirement. First, check battery. If need, charge or add distilled water.
Check the brake oil level. Check the radiator coolant level. Check the tire pressure. Check the tire tread condition. Check the engine oil level. Check the air filter condition. Check the brake pad condition. Check the brake pedal hard or spongy. Check the windshield glass water level. Check headlight adjustment. If the engine check light on, contact to auto mechanic. Check indicator light. Check and confirm all car documents. Check the spare wheel condition. Finally, take a test drive.
Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that I will come with more and more technical videos on automobile related. Thanks all.